Resolving billing errors on RapidMiner can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you address any issues efficiently. Step 1. Identify the error. Review your billing statement carefully to pinpoint the specific error. Look for discrepancies in charges, unexpected fees, or incorrect subscription details. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including your billing statement, any emails from RapidMiner, and your account details. This information will be crucial when you contact support. Step 3. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications for reference. Step 5. Review resolution. Once the issue is addressed, review your updated billing statement to ensure the error has been corrected. If the problem persists, repeat the process or escalate the issue as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on RapidMiner and ensure your account is accurate.